When friends come around for a glass of wine, I love putting together a grazing board, and I take my grazing boards very seriously. So you need to start with a beautiful board. I've got this gorgeous round one today, and I like to change up the ingredients depending on the season. So today, of course, cheese, that's obligatory, but I've also got some olives and I've got some lovely grapes. So let's start with the cheeses. I always like a big chunk of creamy, soft Brie. And we'll place that on one side. Then some blue. You can leave this out. I know my friends love blue, so I always get a big chunk of blue. And just make sure there's a lot of space around it because we start with the fundamentals, so cheese, and then we build around it. Also some cheddar. I've got an aged cheddar here, and I'm just going to cut this on an angle to make it look a little more attractive on our grazing board. So we'll place that on the other side. Then some deli cuts. I'm using some salami. And because it's nice and thin, what I like to do is just place it on one side of the board and then drape it. And we want to make a pile of separated salami so it's really easy to pick up and place on a crouton or a piece of bread. And we're going to layer this with some peppers. These are fantastic peppers. I love their flavour. They're not too spicy. They've got a little sweetness to them. And we're just going to pop them in and around the salami. You can see already just by building that, we've got some height and it's looking quite special already. Next, some olives to go with this. So I've got some Kalamata olives. I have warmed them up so they go on one side. And some Sicilian olives. These were in brine, so a little tip before you place them onto your grazing board, just hit them with a little bit of good quality olive oil. It really does freshen it up, and you can also warm those up too. Okay, we'll place them next to our Brie. Also some dip if you like. I've got some baba ganoush. I like the smokiness, and we'll just place that into another small bowl. We'll place that on another side. Next, we need a pop of sweetness to go with our cheddar and our blue. So I love the addition of grapes, just some sweet red grapes. I know a lot of you out there may like to add a strawberry or two to a platter like this, but personally, kind of like that Mediterranean look with the grapes. It looks much better. And finally, we need to fill in these last little gaps with some bread and crackers. So I have these gorgeous grissini. There's a little spot for it here. You can add some crackers, but the French in me loves a bit of baguette with my cheese. We just want to thinly slice it, not big chunks of bread because it's going to fill up your guests too much. You just want nice thin pieces. So really it is all about whatever we've put onto our board. And we'll just pile that up. And I like to sort of cluster them and just pop them in all the different spots. And that is how I dress a gorgeous wooden board like this with some of my favourite things to pick out when I'm having a glass of wine with my friends. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?